What if I told you this street-legal monster makes 1,025 horsepower, launches to 60 miles per hour in just 1.66 seconds, and can outrun most hypercars for just $109,000? Meet the 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170! The 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 isn't just another muscle car, it's the ultimate farewell to an American legend. This is the final chapter of Dodge's legendary V8-powered Challenger, and what a way to end it. Built to dominate drag strips while remaining fully street legal, the Demon 170 delivers a jaw-dropping combination of raw power, advanced engineering, premium comfort, and unmistakable presence. Every inch of this machine was designed with one goal: to become the most extreme factory-built muscle car ever created. Finished in stunning triple nickel exterior paint, the Demon 170 immediately commands attention. Its metallic silver finish reflects light with an almost liquid appearance, highlighting every aggressive curve and every muscular bodyline. The massive air grabber hood is more than just an eye-catching feature. It feeds cool air directly into the supercharged engine, improving performance while giving the car an unmistakable identity. Wide rear body flares stretch over enormous drag-focused tires, creating an aggressive stance that announces this machine's intentions long before the engine starts. And then comes the heart of the beast. Under the hood sits the legendary 6.2-liter supercharged high-output HEMI V8, an engineering masterpiece that represents the absolute peak of Dodge performance. When running on E85 fuel, this supercharged monster unleashes an astonishing 1,025 horsepower and 945 pound-feet of torque. Those numbers place the Demon 170 among the most powerful production cars ever built. Press the accelerator, and the massive supercharger roars while the V8 unleashes a thunderous soundtrack that few cars in the world can match. Power is delivered through Dodge's proven TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission, engineered to handle incredible levels of torque while providing lightning-fast gear changes. Every shift feels immediate, keeping the engine perfectly within its power band, whether launching from a standstill or accelerating at highway speeds. Performance isn't simply impressive, it borders on unbelievable. The Demon 170 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.66 seconds under ideal conditions. Even more astonishing, it completes the quarter mile in an NHRA-certified 8.91 seconds at over 151 miles per hour, making it one of the quickest production cars ever built. These aren't modified race car numbers. This is a factory-built, street-legal production vehicle. Helping achieve those incredible launches is an arsenal of advanced performance technology. Launch Control with Launch Assist optimizes every start by managing wheel spin and power delivery. Line Lock allows drivers to perform perfect burnouts, heating the rear tires for maximum grip before launch. The factory-installed Transbrake locks the transmission for brutally consistent drag strip starts, while the anti-spin differential rear axle ensures massive amounts of power reach the pavement efficiently. The Demon 170's handling benefits from its competition suspension paired with adaptive damping suspension, continuously adjusting shock settings based on driving conditions. Whether cruising comfortably or attacking the drag strip, the suspension adapts instantly to maximize both stability and performance. Systems like electronic stability control, electronic roll mitigation, and all-speed traction control work together behind the scenes, allowing drivers to safely harness over 1,000 horsepower. Its forged aluminum wheels are specifically designed for performance, measuring 18 by 8 inches in front and an enormous 17 by 11 inches at the rear, providing the traction necessary for explosive launches. Massive Brembo 4-piston brakes with distinctive yellow logos deliver confident stopping power, balancing incredible acceleration with dependable braking performance. Open the door, and the Demon 170 reveals a surprisingly luxurious interior. Dodge proves that extreme performance doesn't require sacrificing comfort. The cabin features exclusive 170 Alcantara and Demonic red leather seats, creating an atmosphere that's both sporty and premium. Matching demonic red seatbelts add another exclusive touch that reminds occupants they're sitting inside something truly special. The premium finishes continue throughout the cabin with suede door trim panels, a luxurious suede headliner, and a beautifully premium stitched dashboard. The thick SRT Alcantara steering wheel provides exceptional grip while perfectly complementing the leather-wrapped shift knob. Even during spirited driving, every surface feels refined and purpose-built. Comfort features are equally impressive. Ventilated front seats keep occupants cool during warm weather, while the power tilt and telescoping steering column allows drivers to find the perfect driving position. Power multifunction mirrors, memory settings for the driver's seat, mirrors, and radio, plus rain-sensitive windshield wipers make daily driving surprisingly effortless. Technology also plays a major role inside the Demon 170. The premium Harman Kardon Green Edge amplifier powers an incredible 18-speaker premium audio system, including a trunk-mounted subwoofer and immersive surround sound. Whether listening to your favorite playlist or simply enjoying the Supercharged V8 soundtrack, every drive becomes a memorable experience. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Demon 170 includes blind spot monitoring, rear crosspath detection, automatic high-beam headlamp control, advanced SRT multi-stage front airbags, and a comprehensive suite of electronic driver assistance systems that complement its extraordinary performance capabilities. Adding even more everyday convenience are features like remote start, tip start, auto stick manual shifting, steering wheel mounted paddle controls, and an available power sunroof, proving this monster can also serve as a comfortable grand touring machine when driven responsibly. Perhaps one of the most remarkable aspects of the Demon 170 is its value. With a vehicle price of approximately $109,000, it offers performance capable of embarrassing multi-million-dollar hypercars costing 10 or even 20 times as much. Very few vehicles in automotive history deliver this level of acceleration, exclusivity, engineering, and collectability for the money. More importantly, the Demon 170 marks the end of an unforgettable era. As emissions regulations and electrification reshape the automotive industry, this supercharged V8 stands as one final celebration of unapologetic American horsepower. It's loud, it's outrageous, it's brutally fast, and it represents everything enthusiasts have loved about Dodge's performance heritage. The 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 isn't simply a muscle car. It's a collector's masterpiece, a factory-built drag racing weapon, and one of the greatest farewell editions ever produced. It captures the spirit of American performance in its purest form, combining breathtaking acceleration, unmistakable styling, premium craftsmanship, and legendary HEMI power into one unforgettable machine. If there was ever a perfect way for Dodge to close the chapter on the Challenger, this is it. The Demon 170 doesn't whisper goodbye. It leaves behind the thunderous roar of 1,025 supercharged horsepower that enthusiasts will remember for generations.